the holidays are coming up. This is not a holiday episode, but for a lot of us, it's hard to make time to get together with family, especially when we're such like workaholics, for lack of a better word. Do you have any tips for business owners on balancing like the work and family during this holiday season?
I think more generally for business owners, let's not like get too far into an addiction to hustle porn, right? Like, let's not keep telling ourselves that working more hours is better. Probably not. Probably what most of us do in 10 hours, we could do in 6 if we had to. So I think part of what I loved about Simone Biles' action was to normalize a time away, was to normalize a sabbatical, a vacation, a break. And, not everybody finds time with family to be super restorative or relaxing. And so if that's your story, honor that. Know that you might need to do the obligatory holiday meal, but that is not your rest. That's not your retreat. That's not your sense of restoration. That probably needs to get scheduled in January on a beach in Mexico where there are no weird aunts and uncles. So if you don't, love your time with your family members, do what you think is sort of ethical and helpful and important, but don't mistake that for your restoration time. And you do need restoration time. You need that ability to step away. It will, if nothing else, I bet you money that it will have an observable difference in your business success. Because when you spend that time away, you are kind of resetting all of those neuronal connections that get overly trodden when you're doing the same thing and thinking about the same things all the time. So when you take a great vacation, when you take some time off, when you take a retreat, when you take a sabbatical, you're kind of resetting your brain so that you can be more creative, better at communicating, more interesting, just generally better at running your business. So a vacation is an investment in your business. If you need to think about it like that, I can write it for you on a prescription pad.
Please.